Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to create few marble pattern nail arts with help of these two colors only and this needle. So let's start. First of all, apply a base coat. I already have applied, so let's start with this nail art. So first of all, I am applying this silver color nail paint. And now take this maroon nail paint on the tip of this needle and place it over here like this. And now with this needle only stretch it like this. See? See this, how beautiful it is looking. Now take one more drop of this silver nail paint over this needle and apply it here and drag it like this. See, now one more drop of this maroon and apply it here like this. See how beautiful it is looking. Somewhat it is looking like a peacock's feather. So now on another nail I am applying this nail paint on half of the nail, and on other half I am applying this maroon one like this. Now take this needle and drag this maroon nail paint like this only. We don't need to do much, just drag it and it will create a beautiful pattern. Even you can apply some silver nail paint over the edge of this nail and drag it like this. See this? Now on this nail I am applying this maroon nail paint over the tip of my nail, and below this apply this silver one like this. Now drag it like this. And put a small dot of this maroon nail paint over here like this. See how beautiful it is also looking. Now here I am applying this silver nail paint on my whole nail and take some maroon nail paint on tip of the needle and place it like this. And now drag it like this only. See, start from above this dot and drag it towards center of this pattern. It will create a pattern like structure. See how beautiful it is also looking. Now on this nail I am applying this maroon nail paint and now here this silver one. And just take your needle and make a 8-like structure with this. See this? How beautiful this pattern is also looking. So all the patterns are ready. Now finish them out with top coat, and hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. So we'll meet you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.